Are you exhausted of struggling with high creatinine levels and worrying about the possibility of dialysis? Imagine if there were a simple, natural solution waiting for you right in your kitchen cabinet. What if something as common as baking soda could improve your kidney function and lower your creatinine levels? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, can play a role in lowering creatinine levels, particularly in individuals with chronic kidney disease. Research has shown that bicarbonate supplementation can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. For instance, a study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that patients with chronic kidney disease who took bicarbonate supplements had slower progression of the disease compared to those who did not. In some studies, patients who took baking soda supplements were less likely to need dialysis, indicating better overall kidney health and function. Chronic kidney disease often leads to metabolic acidosis, a condition where the blood becomes too acidic. Baking soda, being an alkaline substance, can help neutralize this excess acid. This helps maintain a more balanced pH level in the blood, reducing stress on the kidneys. By maintaining a balanced pH level in the blood, baking soda helps create a healthier environment for the kidneys, making it easier for them to filter waste products like creatinine. By reducing acidosis, baking soda may help improve kidney function. Better kidney function can lead to more effective clearance of creatinine from the blood. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the kidneys, promoting healthier kidney function and aiding in creatinine clearance. Effective management of blood acidity and improved kidney function from baking soda use can reduce the dependency on dialysis, indicating better natural creatinine clearance by the kidneys. Now the question comes, can baking soda help you steer clear of dialysis? Well, it seems it can not only slow down chronic kidney failure but also lend a hand with heart disease, slow down the degeneration of the endocrine system, and assist with muscle and bone issues. But remember, only take sodium bicarbonate or any supplement if your healthcare provider advises. And let's not forget, combining baking soda with a kidney-friendly diet low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium can improve your renal health. Do this. No kidney patient will ever lose a kidney again. Have you ever felt the fear and uncertainty that comes with kidney disease? You are not alone. But today, I'm going to share something that will change everything you thought you knew about this condition. Imagine a world where no kidney patient ever has to face the fear of losing a kidney again. It's not a dream. Recent scientific breakthroughs have brought us to the brink of a revolution in kidney health. We are taking about a groundbreaking study involving over 400 participants spanning an incredible 8 years, unveiling secrets that we never knew. You are about to discover the 5 transformative steps that are empowering kidney patients to take control and rewrite their stories. Step 1. Mastering oxalates. Oxalates, or oxalic acid, are naturally occurring compounds found in many plants, including vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, and grains. Oxalate-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall health, including kidney health. Many oxalate-rich foods, such as fruits and vegetables, have high water and fiber content, which can help maintain proper hydration and promote healthy digestion, supporting kidney function. While it's smart to be mindful of high oxalate foods, it's all about creating a balanced diet. Step 2. Embracing fiber to fight uremic toxins. Fiber helps reduce blood urea and nitrogen levels. Urea is one of the primary waste products filtered by the kidneys, and its accumulation in the blood uremia can be toxic. By consuming fiber-rich foods, the gut microbiota metabolizes fiber, producing short-chain fatty acids that aid in reducing urea levels in the blood. A healthy gut microbiota, supported by dietary fiber, can bind to and help eliminate uremic toxins before they reach the kidneys. This reduces the overall burden on the kidneys. Certain fibers act as prebiotics, feeding beneficial gut bacteria that can break down toxins. Fiber-rich foods including apples, berries, oranges, broccoli, leafy greens, brown rice, and legumes can significantly support kidney health by reducing the accumulation of uremic toxins and minimizing the stress on your kidneys. Step 3. Increase vitamin D intake. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating the balance of calcium and phosphorus in the body. Adequate levels of these minerals are essential for healthy kidney function. Proper regulation helps prevent the formation of kidney stones and reduces the risk of calcification in the kidneys. Proteinuria, excess protein in the urine, is a common symptom of kidney disease. Vitamin D has been shown to reduce proteinuria in patients with chronic kidney disease. This reduction helps to alleviate the strain on the kidneys and prevent further damage. Increasing vitamin D levels can provide multiple benefits for kidney health, from mineral balance and blood pressure regulation to reducing inflammation. Adequate vitamin D intake, whether through sunlight, diet, or supplements, is essential for maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney-related diseases. Step 4. Identifying the root causes of kidney disease. Understanding the specific cause of kidney disease allows healthcare providers to tailor treatment plans effectively. For example, if high blood pressure is the root cause, managing hypertension through medication, diet, and lifestyle changes can slow the progression of kidney damage. Similarly, if diabetes is the cause, controlling blood sugar levels becomes the primary focus. Early detection and management of the root causes of kidney disease can lead to a better prognosis. Patients who receive timely and appropriate interventions based on their specific condition are more likely to maintain better kidney function and quality of life. Identifying the root causes of kidney disease is essential for effective treatment, prevention of further damage, and overall better health outcomes. Step 5. Maintain a healthy diet. Diets rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low in sodium help control blood pressure. Reduced sodium intake prevents excess fluid retention, which lowers blood pressure and decreases strain on the kidneys. A balanced diet helps maintain the right levels of electrolytes such as potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. For example, individuals with kidney disease may need to monitor and adjust their intake of these electrolytes to prevent imbalances. A balanced diet is fundamental to maintaining kidney health and preventing kidney disease. By regulating blood pressure and blood sugar levels, maintaining electrolyte balance, preventing obesity, and supporting overall health, a balanced diet ensures the kidneys function efficiently and effectively. So viewers, these are the 5 steps which are very effective to support kidney health. Also, by using baking soda to lower creatinine levels offers a simple and accessible method to help maintain healthy kidneys. Regular use of baking soda can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease, helping to maintain better kidney health and function over time, which supports the efficient removal of creatinine. It's essential to follow medical advice for the appropriate dosage of baking soda. A typical recommendation might be around 0.5 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda mixed with water daily, but this can vary based on individual health conditions and needs. However, remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maintaining your health and wellness. Thank you for watching.